Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video. So before in the last video we see that how we can display the models list at the table of the admin panel. So in this video we are learn about the how we can uh, display the views for the client. Okay, so here I am talking about the client. So first of all, I am clear with it. So you can see that if I start the server from here, python 3 minute.py run server, so you can see the server is started and I am refreshing. Then this is the first client page, which is by default the Django's page. Okay, it is congratulations that the install works successfully. This is the client side, and when we type /admin here, then it is the admin side. Okay, so first of all I need to verify the URL. So this is the project URL, blocks URL. Okay, so in this URL you can see there is only one path, which is admin. Okay, so if you need to override the Django's default template, which is displayed at this position, you need to define the path here. So path equal to this, and include is an parameter which is imported from the Django.urls. Okay, you can see here include, and what we need to include, we need to just include the blog admin.urls. But here in the blog admin we don't have any urls.py, you can see. So we need to create the urls.py. So from Django.urls import path. Okay, and URL patterns equal to this structure. So first of all we need to declare the path of this app here. So when the path is clear, means there is nothing in the path, then we need to display the views.index and the name equal to index. So first of all views, so we need to import the views from dot import views. So now we are in the views. So views have first of all I need to close this files and I need to open the URLs here. So what we does views.index. So views doesn't have any index method, so define index which takes request. Okay, so here I am importing another from Django.http import http response. Done. So whenever whenever your project is derives at this path, when we need to return http response. Okay, this. So now we need to just rerun the server. You can see error is gone, and we can refresh this. Then you can see first of all the path of this. There are two URL files. One is the project's URL files. So first of all it's searching for the simple where is nothing as a path, like nothing is a slash an argument. So it's derives a blank path which includes the blog admin.urls. So the Django framework goes to the blog admin and it finds the URLs file in the blog admin. So you can see that URLs file has a path is clear, and views.index and name equal index. So it goes to the views.index. So here we returns the HTTP response, which is HRLL. So HRLL is displayed on this page. Now this is simple HRLL response. So what we need, what methods we need here? first of all we need to just index, and we need to just show post. Okay, request and return, sorry that's a typo, http response so post. Done. So we need to set up the URLs here in the apps blog admins.urls. So I am setting path and so, and it has an integer id. Okay, it has the views integer id and slash, it has the view dot show post and name equal to show. Now we can see if there is an error, then we can fix this error. So there is nothing an error, so we can see that show, what is the type error, show post, okay, got an error. So we need to first pass a parameter id here, because we pass id in the URL. So this is id, so it's go to the show post, but id is not get by the show post, so we need to pass an id in this method. Now we can see, you can see the show post is here. So that's normal structure of our project. So you can see first of all the parent URL is here. It goes to the blog admins.url. So blog admins.url is here, and it goes to the index views.index. So views.index is here, and it goes to the return http response to the HRLL and the show post. So blog admins has the show slash integer of id, which is the normally whenever you open the click on the button see the blog, then your URL will be redirected to the show slash id of that blog. Okay, so it's go to the view.show post. So we can see in the view there is a show post method which get the request and the id which is passed in the URL, and return the http response which is show post. So that's for all this for this video. So in another video we can see how we can serve a template, dynamic template to the Django framework. Thank you very much.